How to delete radio stations on Toyota. Start by turning on your Toyota's multimedia system and make sure the car is in park. Tap the favorites or preset section on the radio screen to view your saved radio stations. Look for an edit button or option on the left side of the screen and select it. You will see red circles or icons next to each Sirius XM or preset station. Tap the red circle to delete the station you want to remove. If you don't see an option to delete, you can overwrite unwanted presets by tuning to a new station, then pressing and holding the preset button you want to replace until you hear a beep. To remove favorite stations, tap the heart icon next to the station to unfavorite it. If you want to reset all your radio presets and personal data, go to the system settings, find general, then select delete personal data and confirm. This will erase all stored audio stations and reset to factory settings. Remember to keep the vehicle on during this process and don't remove any SD cards. After making your changes, exit the edit mode and your new preset list will be updated. Subscribe.